Hello, my name is Valentina Vega. I am a student of the English course 11.3. Today I going to talk about a beautiful and historic tourist place in my regions, in Morro Tulcán de Popayán. El Morro de Tulcán is location in Popayán, in the department of Cauca, Colombia. It is very close to the historic center of the city, and many tourists visit it every year. It is big green hill. The place is peaceful and full of history. From the top, you can see beautiful view of Popayán. It is one of the most popular places for walking pictures. One top of the hill, here is a statue of Sebastián Belalcázar. The floor of the city, you can also see street views and many traditional birds on Popayán. Thank you so much.